Alright, for those having issues with Trust Wallet, here is Token Pocket. And how you would do that is you need to have copied your passphrase from Trust Wallet. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, you can always copy your passphrase by opening your Trust Wallet. Okay, you go to settings, you go to wallet, and let's just use this tutorial wallet as an example. Okay, you click on the three dotted line in front of it. You click on show secret passphrase, and then you have the passphrase. Sorry, you have to click on some certain permission here before the passphrase will be shown. So you continue, and then you can see your passphrase. So you write it down, and then you can go back to your token pocket that you have downloaded from Play Store or App Store. You open your token pocket, and when you load your token pocket, this is what you see. Okay, this is what you see. But then we are not creating a new account. We have an account. We have a wallet that we want to import. So the option that we're going to choose is this first option here. So we click on that first option. You see the options of different kinds of network here. And remember, the network we're using to operate, the network we are working on uh, in this ecosystem, the metaforce ecosystem presently is the Polygon Matic network. So you have to look for Polygon Matic network here. As you can see, here we have the Polygon Matic network. So you click on that, and then you choose to copy, you choose to import using recovery phrase. You see recovery phrase import. This is the option we're going to pick. So you click on that, and then you go to where you have your passphrase written down. You copy it and paste it in this box. Okay, so when you paste it in this box, you input, you can actually change the name of this wallet to mean your whole name. For the purpose of this video, I'll just use tutorial. Okay, tutorial wallet. Okay, so I just use password. Let me use password as the password for this tutorial. Hint, this one is optional. So you click on this here. You check this. I have read carefully and agreed with the user stamp. Okay, you must have pasted your passphrase here. Okay, before you click on import, paste it there, click on import. So I'm going to pause this video now and paste it. I'll click on import, and then the next page you see what we have on the next page. All right, I've pasted the passphrase for the tutorial wallet, and then I'm going to click on import now. All right, so as you can see, it's giving me all of these notifications because I'm just using this wallet newly. Okay, so that's just the way it is. Just click on I got it and all that. So now you have your wallet imported in token pocket from Trust Wallet, imported now to token pocket. Now if you already have your funds loaded up, if you have your funds, it will load up all of this. It will have loaded up your Matic balance. Your Matic balance will be reflected here. Your Matic balance will be reflected here. But you notice that you don't have DAI here, and you also funded DAI. So how do you add DAI? There's a plus button here. There's a plus button there. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, so there's a plus button there. You can just click on that plus button. You see a search bar here. You search DAI. Okay, so as you can see, you have this first option. This is the DAI you're going to be adding. Since you are on the Matic network, Matic chain, the first option here is what you need to choose. Okay, that has the DAI logo. Okay, you click on it. sorry, you don't click on it, you click on the plus sign in front of it, this plus sign. As you can see, it has been added. So if you have funded your DAI, it will also reflect the DAI balance here. So how do you now get registered? You find the registration page, the browser on your browser here. There's a discover icon here, discover icon here. Click on discover. So you copy the link of your sponsor and paste it here. You paste it here. Okay? You paste it in this box. And then you load up the page to continue your registration. If you have already registered before and you just want to log in to activate your account, you can just use the same link of your sponsor. You don't have to click on sign up again, just click on login. You see login on your page after you have loaded the link. Okay, just click on login, then you scroll up, you see classic, click on preview. When you click on preview, you'll be able to access your dashboard, your structure. So if you want to activate, then you can now go on and activate as much level as you want to activate. All right. So that's what I thought to share.